Hi everyone, let's follow these energy efficiency tips. JERO, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go! Choose LED lights for longer durability and save more energy. Always switch off electrical appliances when they are not in use to avoid wastage. Set your air conditioner to the optimal temperature of 24 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. Reduce the duration of water heater usage while showering, or consider using cold water. Collect your laundry and wash with a full load. Keep the refrigerator uncluttered to improve airflow and efficiency. As smart consumers, always choose appliances with an energy efficiency label to save energy. Iron pile of clothes in one go. Let's make energy saving a part of our everyday lives. No matter how insignificant these efforts may seem, if all of us do our part, imagine the positive impact we can achieve together. For more energy saving tips, visit www.mytnb.com.my.